Hello guys, this is Adeep. Hope you're all doing great and welcome back to another video from MotorHub. Today we are here with the all new 2021 Piaggio Vespa and it gets a new LED headlamp, USB charger, a digital console and an LED light in the boot. But before going further into the video, make sure you subscribe to my channel and also do not forget to hit that bell icon to not miss any of my future updates. So the Vespa is available in 13 variants, that is right, 13 freaking variants. They are VXL, SXL, SXL Racing, LX, ZX, the all black limited edition which is called Notte, the Urban Club variant and the Elegante variant. Basically Piaggio mixed and matched all the colors and engines which led to so many variants on offer. Among these you can choose between either a 125cc or 150cc engine for the VXL and SXL variants, while all the remaining variants are available only in the 125cc avatar except for the Elegante variant which is only available in 150cc. So the one in front of us is a 125cc VXL variant which retails at an Ex Showroom price of Rs 1,14,000. The base variant of the Vespa starts at Rs 99,000 and goes all the way up to Rs 1,39,000 for the top of the line Elegante variant. All the mentioned prices are Ex Showroom only. Coming to dimensions, it is 1.77 meters in length, 0.69 meters in width, 1.14 meters in height, 1.29 meters of wheelbase, and the height of the seat from the ground is 770 millimeters. The VXL variant is available in 6 color options and the one in front of us is maize grey, and you can also opt for Bluetooth connectivity for a premium. The Vespa VXL looks quite retro even in this era, and up front it gets this new LED headlamp. You can also get an optional visor in the front, a newly designed front look, turn indicators placed over here, Vespa badging, Piaggio logo, and you also get chrome on the front mudguard, and it gets a single sidearm with anti-dive suspension for the front along with a 200mm ventilated disc with combined braking system, satin finished alloy wheels, and the tire size happens to be 110 by 70 R11. Moving to the side, the rear foot pegs for the passengers are merged into the front footboard. You get a reflector on the side, VXL badging right there. And coming to the engine, it gets a 1-cylinder 3-valve 125cc engine which produces a peak power of 9.5 bhp and a torque of 9.9 Nm paired to a CVT transmission. Rear grab bar finished in chrome with Vespa badging, halogen tail lamp and turn indicators placed over here along with a reflector and a number plate holder. You also get a number plate light, and the rear tire size happens to be 120 by 70 R10 which is also an alloy. And this is how the satin finished alloy wheels look with chrome hubcap in the middle. You get a digital instrument console which shows the speedometer, multi-information display down and some telltale lights. And you get this mode button to toggle between some modes. High beam, low beam. This is for the turn indicator and this is the horn switch. And on the right you get this mode button which shows twin trip meters, total kilometers driven which is basically the odometer, clock, fuel level, and that is about it. This is the key of the vehicle, and pressing it in opens the front glove box which gets decent storage space. And the seat is made much more comfortable than the previous version of the Vespa. You have to insert the key over here to open the boot. The battery is placed over here, fuel filling cap. And this here is a USB charging socket for your mobile phones. And the boot is large enough to fit in a full-size face helmet. So let's get driving. The first thing you notice is the engine's refinement. There are no vibrations felt, and the 125cc motor is not a performance-oriented motor. The initial pickup is good and pulls well till 60 km per hour, but after that it just feels very lethargic. The power delivery is very linear and it takes its own sweet time. The Vespa gets a combi braking system with a 200mm ventilated disc at the front and a 140mm drum at the rear for this 125cc variant, while the 150cc gets a single channel ABS too. However, the braking system on this moped is quite powerful, has good bite and stops as expected. The ride quality feels quite premium and the handle feels light, making it easy to maneuver in city driving conditions. The suspension is on the softer side, which makes gliding through rough roads and potholes an absolute breeze. Even the switches feel quite premium and long-lasting. The Vespa gets a 6.5 litre fuel tank and a fuel efficiency of 40 km per litre as reported by many Vespa owners. It gets both tubeless tires, and as mentioned earlier, you can opt for Bluetooth connectivity, which gets navigation, roadside assistance, service lot booking, find me, follow me functions, etc. You can also get accessories from Vespa like helmets, perimeter kit, front bumper guard, clear or grey windshield seat cover and body cover. So let's do a 0 to 60 km per hour run on this 125cc moped. And it takes 11.5 seconds to reach to 60 from standstill, and do note this is with 2 adults on board. The Vespa feels quite stable thanks to the link spring mechanism between the engine and frame, which offers good low speed balance, accurate steering and high speed stability. The top speed is 90 km per hour and the ground clearance is 155 mm. Coming to the final verdict, if you're looking for a moped which looks retro, feels premium, has excellent ride quality and good stopping power without a price constraint, then the Vespa is for you. So guys, this is my review on the all new BS6 125cc Vespa VXL. Hope you found this video useful, and if you did, do not forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. And you can also check the description box below for my other car and bike reviews, and also you can find the link to my Instagram account. So on this note, I'm ending the vlog. Bye bye.